Are you a teeter-totter business? Get the work, do the work. Get the work, do the work. Also known as feast or famine. That probably hit more closer to home. Feast, you're getting all the work and it's fantastic, you're busy, but you wrap up the work and go, I don't have any work, I gotta go out and get more jobs. You're scrambling, trying to get those jobs in. And feast or famine, teeter-totter, get the work, do the work, get the work, do the work. If you're tired of that or you feel like you've plateaued, I have good news for you. You are ready to grow. You are ready to install systems. And if you're not in the mindset of installing those systems, you will be. The pain will get greater and greater until you stop and say, I've had it, I'm done. I need to partner with a company that can take it to the next level. Because you don't know what you're missing? You're missing marketing and sales systems. You need to have systems in place to help your salespeople close faster. And then when they have those objections, come back to your team and help you create content around those objections. You need to have a digital marketing system in place that helps automate and farm your customers, not out constantly hunting and killing and bringing it back to eat it. You want to farm those customers over time. In fact, just recently for Magnify, we had somebody sign up for our video marketing SaaS side of Magnify that watched a video from 3 years ago. 3 years. I had more hair back then and was a little heavier. That video still sold. So if you're a business that is on that teeter-totter and you want to get off it and you feel like you've done everything you could possibly do and you just need a good strategic partner, here at Magnify, the growth and strategy firm, we work with you to help put that system in place. We'll give you the plan. You can take it and run with it. Or we can implement that plan for you at no cost to get started. You heard right. So if you want to know more about that and you're tired of being on the teeter-totter, reach out to us, give us a call, drop us a DM, connect up. We'll get you taken care of.